is all you'll need for a lovely nutritious soup. Some beef stock, some celery, as much or as little garlic as you'd like, some parsnips, some honey and an onion. Simple as that. First thing we're going to do is wash and peel your onion, parsnips and celery. If you've got any of them lighter coloured celery leaves, you can leave them on. And then we're just going to chop it up. Don't worry about the shape of your chopping because it's all going to be blended later anyway. With your veg chopped into a pan, go with a good glug of oil, and then in with your chopped veg. Then into there with a good pinch of salt, brings out the moisture, and some freshly cracked black pepper. And then use a pan with a lid, pop them on and give them 5 minutes just to soften down a bit. When your veg have softened down a bit, time to go in with your garlic. I like garlic, as you can see. Give that a mix round and just give that a few seconds to warm through. And then it's in with a litre of your beef stock or veggie stock if you're making it vegetarian. Give that a stir round so you get any bits off the bottom where the veg have stuck. And then into there we go in with a tablespoon of your honey. Get that stirred in, and then it's on with a lid, and you're going to simmer that for at least 30 minutes, and preferably longer, because the longer you simmer the less chance you'll have of celery with them little stringy bits you can get. So the longer you simmer celery, the less chance of that there is. So 30 minutes at least on a low heat. When it's been simmering away for 30 minutes or longer, then turn it off the gas, let it cool down a little bit, because you're going to be putting it into a blender now. So into a blender with it and get it blitzed up. Once the blender's done its work, put it back into the pan. And that's about ideal for me, but if you like it a bit thinner, just add some water till you get the consistency you want. Then it's time to get yourself a bowl full, get some crusty bread out and enjoy.